Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this Veroline electric steamer. I got it from Amazon. This is my first time to use an electric steamer. I usually just have the bamboo one and the pot one that you like put over the stove. So this is going to be interesting. So here is the part. So it comes with three tier. It's three tier. There's the first steamer. Oops. So it's just there's a steamer. It's made of like a thick plastic. Let's get the next one. But this is fragile, so if you drop it, it might crack. So this is the steamer. Right now it has like 2 layers, but you can then put the third layer. Let's see here. 1, 2. So like this. The second layer. So let's check out the things that it came with, accessories. So this is the cord. It's made of a thick cord, like it's like an Instant Pot cord. You got a manual, Veroline electric steamer, and then you got this liners, which is nice. This is a liner for like if you're making like dumplings or steam buns, you could line it on your this metal thing. So this is your steamer metal thing for the steamer. So you could peel off this blue hold on, so let's remove the blue protective cover. Let's see here. Can you remove that, please? So this is a protective film for the metal, and there you go. So this is the, oops, be careful. Okay. So this is the base. It's a really sleek display here. You got start, delay, menu. This is the bottom compartment where it holds the water. So you can see you have to like, let's see here, let me get a closer look. This is the max point of the water. Just fill it out, fill it in until here, and put the cover in. And then this is nice because if you have like liquid coming out of your like fish or your items that you're boiling, it's just gonna come down here. It's not gonna get mixed like oils. It's not gonna mix in the water, which is nice. And then you can put your first, let's see here. Okay, so your first steamer thing, let me see if this is right. Okay, so let's put the first level. So you could put your first level, and then the second level, and then you got the third. You can actually put the liner. So this would come in handy because they fit exactly. And then you got the third. Is this the last one?
Yeah.
Oh, where's the third one? There you go. And then we got the handle over here, which is nice. This is a handle over here. You put it over here.
Let me put it on.
So we're just gonna like screw this in. There's a screw on top. So I'm screwing this the top piece. So this is the handle. So this is kind of like a rose color. The glass is kind of rose colored. So that is our setup for our electric steamer. I'll make a separate video for like us trying out this steamer. We're gonna be making some Filipino rice cakes or like puto, and then we're gonna be making some
Dumplings.
not dumplings, some
Siopaw?
steam
Siopaw.
yeah, siopaw or steam buns. So these are all like Filipino
Filipinos.
food. So we're gonna try to make that, and we'll show you how good this works. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.